Hello, my name is Steven Deruyter. I'm working currently for AB InBev, the big beer company. And what did I enjoy the most today was the possibility to connect with other, let's say, vendors here to really see what are their solutions that they are providing regarding credit activities. So that's what I enjoyed the most. I really like to connect a lot with the people, and we see that a lot of companies shown up. So I learned a lot today from other, let's say, people here. So good to see what are their difficulties and what they are struggling with, and for which solutions that they are going. So it was really pleasant to meet all those people.